So guys, today is day 18 again because I'm doing another video. This is the not part 2. This is another video I'm doing today. This is the second video I'm doing today. This is part 3 of the money making on YouTube. I missed yesterday's, but like I said, if they put it up by tomorrow or something, I'll record it, or if I have time I'll record it, because it's not up on their YouTube channel yet and I'm going to be busy. But yeah, it starts at 4, so I have 5 more minutes. It says making money on YouTube part 3, surcharge. Let me show y'all. Sorry, I was just saying because last time I did this my thing got blurry. But anyways, let's see. Making money on YouTube part 3, surcharge and your earnings. See how it's getting blurry again? I don't understand. And then it says, I'm going to read from here because I cannot see. Live streaming is more popular than ever, and thousands of creators have tapped into the powerful revenue stream. Some earnings upwards of $100 per minute. Join YouTube product lead Barbara McDonald and several YouTube live streamers for interactive panel where you'll learn how to get started making money with YouTube Live. Our panelists will share actionable tips and strategies for increasing your live earnings and potential while growing your community on YouTube. And then Mark, hope you guys can see because my camera be acting up. I don't. It just acts up. I don't know. But yeah. So this is part 3. And hopefully I can learn some stuff. Yesterday was about pitch, so I missed that part. Pitch about like how to able to get a brand deal with them and whatever. They send me links and stuff how to get a brand deal, like to practice so that I can get a brand deal. Oh my god, they're about to start. But I didn't do it because like I was out yesterday. I had to do errands. But yeah, I'm talking too much, so y'all know the deal. I'm gonna learn and then come back and tell you guys what I learned and the information and all that. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Stay tuned. So y'all can see it, I'm tired. They were just basically talking about super chat, like what I already knew, and they brought other people on talking about how they do super chat. One guy was saying he gets a lot of money every time he does super chat. Not even last time, every time he does super chat, like before the pandemic, like when the pandemic happened, a random guy would be coming and dropping in $500, and I was like, I wish I had that. 500, wow. And then he said since he live streamed every day. Because of it has been helping his revenue. And they were suggesting if you're gonna live stream, you could pre-schedule. I seen it on there. There's a thing on there. I'll show you guys when I talk about my video. I have a video coming up for you about live streaming, but stay tuned. You could premiere your video. That's what I did for my birthday video. So my birthday video, remember when I live streamed on my birthday? I'm gonna put the link down here. I live streamed for 4 hours and 30 minutes. I created my thumbnail already. I posted it up. I did it on my computer. So everything, when you want to live stream, everything is through desktop. Well, you could do through mobile, but you have to have 1K subscribers. But yeah, on the desktop, it's just easier to live stream. You can function everything better. Where on your phone, you can't really do much. When you're live streaming on your phone, you can't really see. You could see who's messaging you, but like, I also live stream on my phone too. On my live stream, I'm gonna put a link to my live streams. Like I made a playlist. So like when you're on it, you have to, on your phone, you're gonna have to do it like this, not like this, because it won't let you. And it tells you. I like how it tells you. You go like this. So when you're doing it, it will tell you the chat. So like as you're live streaming, you're like what, and you can't even focus. Well, on your computer you can. But yeah, I scheduled for my birthday. I scheduled before, I think, yeah, a week before. I made a thumbnail a week before I scheduled it because I knew I was going to go live stream. So I scheduled it for I believe 12 or 1, but it didn't go through properly, whatever. So it kind of messed up. I tried to make another one, so whatever. I fixed it. So when I fixed it, you could change the schedule. So like, let's say if you say you want to schedule for 12 p.m., you could change it and say you want to live stream now, and then you can enable it and figure it out. And yeah, they also said you can find the live stream tab, like how much views you get and all that, in the Creator Studio app. Well, it is called Creator Studio app on desktop, but on your phone it's called YouTube Studio app. And I was like, wait, really? Wait, what? And when she was saying, I was like, don't you have to be monetized? She's like, yeah, you have to be monetized. I was like, damn. So they really changed everything, because I'm looking here. I'm gonna screen record. How about that? It says here, this is old. They need to update. This is from Creator Academy. So before all the changes, it says super. This was in 2020. Oh, it says they updated in 2020. But I believe this is old. No, there was one that I seen. Hold on, y'all. Never mind. I guess I read it wrong, because there was one that said it was old. But anyways, I'm going to read it to you from the Creator Academy. It says, earn money with super chat and super stickers. So again, if y'all don't know what super stickers are, I'll try to get a picture for you where it doesn't show like anybody's channel or whatever, but yeah, you know what I mean. Earn money with super chat stickers. So it says super chat stickers provide another way to monetize your channel while also engaging with your community. In this module, you'll learn how super chat and super stickers work, and be able to decide if how to use these features as a part of your channel offering. So it says here you can start a course. So it says estimated time to complete is 15 minutes. The level, I've never used super chat or super stickers before. Eligible. So in order for you to get the super chat and super stickers, you have to have 1K followers, member of the YouTube partnership program, so you have to be monetized. And then it tells you the list of countries. So also it can't be made for kids. So if it says made for kids, you can't. It says list of eligible countries. So the super chat, oh wow, the super chat is available. Hold on, it says available countries. Okay, I'm going to show you the available countries, and then I'm going to tell you channel requirement and then requirements for individual videos. So it says available countries. So super chat is available in Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belarus. I'm probably reading that wrong. Belarus. You'll see it on here. Belgium, Bolivia, Botswana, and I can't really read that. Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, hey, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, and Quarantina. I don't know. I'm not reading that. I'm reading that wrong. Czech Republic, then Denmark, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Ecuador, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Guatemala, Honduras, Hong Kong, Hungary, India, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Latvia, Liechtenstein. I can't read that. I know this one because I studied this in school. Oh my god. Luxembourg, Macedonia, Malta, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua, probably reading that wrong, Norway, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Portland, Portugal, Romania, Russia, Senegal, Serbia, sorry, I'm like zebra. That's how I got to say zebra in order to figure it out. Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Uganda, United Kingdom, United States, and Uruguay. Y'all are at the bottom. United States, y'all at the bottom. We're at the top. Canada, we're number 1. Okay. Before y'all come for me and get mad at me. Yo. Because she was saying that too. She's like, oh, it has to be available in the country. I'm like, yeah, that's for monetization restrictions. But I guess it's just super chat in general. So I guess this too, it says super chat. So maybe this is like where each country is monetized too. So if y'all didn't know, read it. I'm going to put this down in the what is it called? Description. I don't know about the comments because like I have so much videos to edit, so y'all know. And then it says here child, oh my god, over here it says channel requirements. So your channel has to be monetized. You have to be over 18. You're available in one of the available locations like I read to you. And then it says no super chat and super stickers aren't available on age restricted, unlisted, or private video. Super chat and super stickers are also not available if live chat is turned off. Oh, so the guy was saying that makes sense because the guy who was on there, he was saying a lot of people were sending him live streams. I mean, not live streams, super chats. So he had to turn off the super chat. It was just too much because his live stream was going slow. And make sure when you do live streams, schedule a date. So let your followers know, that your subscribers know that you're going to go on this day and that day. So for me, you guys know, I don't really go on. But if I do go on, I'll try to let you guys know. Or I should probably make a video because, like I said, by next week, they're taking off the community tab. And it's like, how do I communicate with my subscribers? You guys, I don't know. So yeah, make sure it's not made for kids. And then after it says here, super chat stickers, super chat and super stickers policies. It says like everything on YouTube, super chat viewers send most common with the community guidelines. Oh, you have to follow community guidelines. Yeah. If a super chat or super sticker is monitored and removed from violating our policies, YouTube will donate our portion of revenue to a charity. Oh, okay, makes sense. So if you can't get it, they're gonna donate it. You must also continue to comply with all the laws are required by YouTube's terms of service. Money you get from super chats and super stickers may be treated differently based on the laws that apply to you and your activities. You're responsible for understanding and fully complying with all applicable laws, including whether or not you are enabled, offer, send, and receive money from super chat or super stickers. Makes sense, because I thought you just, you know what I mean, they just do it, they just send money and all. But yeah, you could turn off the super chat and turn it on, the super stickers I should say. Also, the guy was saying on there a lot that he got a lot of money from it, but the way he was saying, yeah, he didn't sound too confident in it. The lady was like, yeah, you got a lot of money on there. He's like, yeah, I heard you don't really get a lot of money on super chat because YouTube takes half of the money. So I don't know, don't quote me on that, I could be wrong, but I don't know. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can see me go live stream. Y'all comment down below the days you guys are available. Yes, I have that feature. If y'all didn't know, YouTube has that feature to let you know when your audience is online. So y'all comment down below the days you guys are online and I'll live stream. I haven't done a night live stream, y'all see. I would try to do a night live stream. Like, what time do you guys want? Like 6 p.m.? 5 p.m.? I think 5 p.m. will work, but I think 6 p.m. But y'all let me know which day is best for you that you want to see me live stream, and I'll go live stream because I don't know. I really need to get out all these other videos. Like, I had videos in plan, but because of Vidcon, they said today was the last day. If you guys didn't know, I don't know if it's the last day. Don't quote me, because that's what they said about last month. It was the last day or something, and they came up with more stuff. But yeah. So again, y'all comment down below. Let me know the days you're available, like in the night, and or yeah, just available, and y'all can see me live stream and y'all enjoy my live stream. All right, So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.